Let's pause for a moment and imagine it's the first of the month, 6 months from now. You sit down with your budget and you have enough money for every single expense this month. That means that every single dollar you earn this month will go towards next month's expenses. That gives you a 30-day cushion of cash on hand, an entire month of expenses in your bank account at once. You could literally not earn anything for an entire month and still be able to afford all of your bills and expenses. When bills come due, you just pay them. No stress, no drama. Doesn't that sound awesomely boring? Well, that's what life looks like when you've broken the paycheck to paycheck cycle. But how do you do that? Now, it doesn't happen all at once, but it is a natural result of following the first 3 rules. Rule 1 helps you prioritize, so you stop spending money on things that don't really matter to you. You're gonna have more money available for things that do matter, like covering next month's bills. With Rule 2, you're saving money for less frequent expenses, and that money sits around and ages because you're not spending it every month. It'll also make sure that emergencies and mishaps don't set you back anymore as you work on getting ahead. Rule 3 keeps you in the game. When your priorities or circumstances change, you can adjust and adapt, which helps you keep budgeting. If you follow the first 3 rules, you'll spend less than you earn, and eventually you'll get to this magical moment where you won't need any of the money you make this month until next month. When you get to this point, you've broken the paycheck to paycheck cycle, and I can tell you from experience, it's incredibly life-changing. You'll no longer have to worry about timing bills to paychecks because when they arrive, you'll just pay them. Timing bills with paychecks may be all that you've ever known, but once you get to a point where you don't have to do it anymore, you're gonna realize how stressful it really was. So you can see that Rule 4 is a natural result of following the first 3 rules. This isn't a race. Everyone breaks the paycheck to paycheck cycle in their own time. But the sooner you get there, the better you'll feel. I promise you, it's worth it.